for a massage. Start with his shoulders. Get all the way down his arms and his paws. Get in between those toes. See, look how cute his little digits are. Isn't he cute? Now, let's get his little rib cage. Oh, boy. Oh, stretch. Stretch. Let's do our legs. Those little hammocks. Get these little digits. This poor little guy, he's so abused. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's get his legs. Now let's get his back. Oh. Can you hear him grunt out of pain? Okay. Are we done? Are we done with our little 3-minute? Oh, gotta do his face. Let's do his jaws. Oh. Look. Let's see the teethies.
Oh, God.
Oh, let's do his head. Mommy's favorite. The ears. Ooh. Houndo. He's like the Dumbo of puppies. Okay. Your massage is done, sir.